back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. And it's just like 10 a.m. in the morning. I woke up at 8, and the first video recommendation on my YouTube was Madison Beer's BOYSHIT. My god, she's so hot. Literally obsessed with her. I want to get curtain bangs. I don't have the guts to cut my hair, so I'll just fake some curtain bangs. Okay, so today's video is about Madison Beer's BOYSHIT hairstyle. It's a very basic hairstyle, but looks really good on her, so I just want to try it, and let's start this video. So I slept with a braid last night, I braided my hair last night, so I think it's good that I braided my hair, because when I'm gonna open this braid, I'm gonna get slightly wavy hair, which she's wearing. I will curl some of the hair here and there, but not my whole hair, because I think my hair will be already in a wavy form. Let's see. So as I said, slightly wavy, definitely slightly wavy. Yeah, I should have made 2 braids, but I didn't know that I'm gonna make this video. Always love heatless hairstyles. Okay, so first just want to get rid of the tangles in my hair. If you want to add products to your hair, you can. My hair is literally so greasy because this is the 3rd day hair. So many noises. I'm gonna wash my hair today after making this video, so it's pretty greasy. I'm not gonna add any products, so if you want to, please do. Now we have to make a middle part, which I already have, I guess, but let's see. I think it's pretty neat. Okay, now about the front sections. I don't have curtain bangs. Okay, this much of hair will do. Now on the other side, this much of hair. I'm gonna sneeze, I'm gonna itch my nose. So I'm separating the front sections of my hair. I don't have curtain bangs anymore. I mean, I had them at the beginning of the quarantine, but I don't have them. Wow, my hair has grown. I should be happy, but then I want to cut my hair once again. I'm combing the front top portion of my hair, only the half portion. Basically what I mean to say, this is a half up and half down hairstyle, so you have to tie your hair. Now here I was making a mistake. I was making a really high ponytail, but the ponytail should be really droopy. It should not be a high ponytail, it should be a droopy one, but then I corrected myself. Even if the ponytail is droopy, make sure that it is tight and secure. Now I am pulling at my hair at the top and basically pushing my ponytail slightly upwards, and then I am securing this position with 2 or 3 bobby pins. As I said, I don't have curtain bangs, so I'm trying to make the front pieces shorter by curling my hair away from my face. Enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll link down other Madison Beer hairstyle videos that I have recreated in the description. And this hairstyle is slightly similar to one of Ariana Grande's hairstyle from 34-35, which I have recreated. That only difference is that she was wearing it in a straight form, straight hair, and Madison Beer's hair is slightly curly. I have recreated that. I have recreated some Ariana Grande positions hairstyles as well, and they turned out good. Like me, I'm complimenting myself. Wow. No, they turned out really good. So if you want to check them out, I will link them in the description. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye. That was a thumbs up. Bye.